Is our home? We did it, y'all. Hi guys, it's been a whole year since I vlogged and recorded a video. Last year put your girl through it. I was experiencing postpartum depression while also experiencing postpartum hair loss, on top of being stressed, which caused more hair to fall out. It was a lot. On top of trying to find a house. Your girl was beyond stressed. So I decided this year that I'm gonna put me first. You know, I'm more than just a mom. I'm more than just a wife. I'm back in school and I'm excited about it. I will be starting therapy very soon. And I'm gonna start taking myself out on solo dates. I'm just gonna get back to me. Because after having a baby, that 4th trimester is no joke. But yeah, today is our official closing day on our new home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new, and welcome back to another video. So I was unable to get ready with you guys because we were rushing. We always rush. Yes. If y'all hear ammo in the background, we're trying to keep the baby entertained. Okay. But we are currently in the Chick-fil-A line. Today is a very exciting day because we officially close on our house. I know that's right. But today we officially signed the dotted line and we close today. And if you ask, are we completely packed? The answer is no. But we're about 50% packed, okay? So, this is going to be a very busy vlog and a very entertaining vlog and a very, like, new chapter vlog, cause period. So, yeah, but let me feed the baby. I'll be back. Boss is calling. Alright, guys, we made it early. We're supposed to be there. We're supposed to be here at 10:30. It's 10:13, so we're early. We're not on color people time. But, girl, what is you doing? But this is the perfume I'm going to be wearing. I also put other perfume on. I'll show y'all that one later. Tabitha's Brown collection. It was on sale during, what's that, Black Friday? So, but yeah, it smells good. I can't describe the smell. I'm sorry. But it smells good. I feel like if you like vanilla, you'll probably like this. If you like a vanilla girl. So, yeah. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. So we've been back for a minute now, and I'm just trying to get started before we go to the house and clean it and pick up our son and all that stuff. We changed, as you can see. So, yeah. Just trying to get everything organized before we leave. Yeah, girl. I'm starting in the kitchen because pretty much it's like the last place that we have to pack up. Trying to put all my teas packing with your child. I got the keys, y'all. Okay? 1-year-old. I do not recommend it. We didn't really grocery shop like that because we knew we were going to be leaving this week, so we really don't have to get here, to be honest with you. milk, I think, are expired. Oh, girl. Give me this. You supposed to be packing. You ain't doing a good job. Also probably put this in a container too. This is the matcha that I use. There's no more left in here. So I'm just throwing it away. Get some more when we move. I'm not gonna do a house tour, okay? When we get there, I'm not gonna do a house tour. But I will show y'all like bits and pieces. Like I will show you mainly the kitchen and the bathroom. Oh, I'm busy. Have to tend to the baby. Ooh. Ooh. She's gonna bring me all her toys. And I'm gonna have to put them all up here. What you got? I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. I'm just between trying to watch
This
her.
is all what we got packed so
Trying to pack
far.
this up. Yeah, and my husband. Yeah, I unplugged her. So we in Home Depot because we need to get a lock and we need to rent a carpet cleaner. And I am on one battery, y'all. So if the camera cut off, it just cut off. I got my extra cameras. I mean my extra batteries, but 2 of them are dead. Y'all know this Sony camera is not the best as far as battery life. So, yeah, y'all. Let's see what we can find as far as the locks. You just gonna get a deadbolt?
No.
Oh, you finna get an actual lock?
Yeah.
$40. $41?
14 is the cheapest.
How much is food? Behind the house is expensive. Now?
Yeah.
100.
Yes.
Okay. Might as well, right?
Yeah. I'm not putting no deadbolt on that front door.
Okay. What lock you think you gonna get?
I don't know which one you want.
I don't know.
That one you want?
I don't know. But they grant. Well, the black one?
We can
No.
do-
Um,
I think which one you want.
my camera's gonna die, y'all. I'll be back. We did it, y'all. We did it. Just put everything right there. Let's figure it out. So we're about to clean. Y'all hear, baby girl? Everybody's excited. My camera's about to die. Let me change the battery. But this is our home. So we have to get a refrigerator, which we're gonna be getting soon. And every appliance is in here. We just need a refrigerator, washer, and dryer. So I'm about to clean it. Let me see. Hello. See if I can. I don't have my towel. This is our y'all see me? This is our home. Now it's time to clean. Shit just got it. It's time to clean. Oh, they right there. Hold that. It is currently 11 o'clock. I've been up since 6 a.m. Okay. I've been trying to clean the kitchen. I pretty much got everything packed. I just need like 2. I feel like I need 2 or 3 boxes. I feel like I need 2 or 3 boxes. I probably only, if I could get a extra large box, I'm just gonna get that. I dropped the kids off to a family member's home so I can really get to cleaning, because y'all know how them kids is. They be hungry. They want you to, my baby want me to hold her. I got to clean this house, okay? And we cleaned our home. I'm cleaning the rental home now. So I'm gonna just get a few things out of Walmart. And then what else? What was I finna say? Oh, I'm recording on my phone because, so I don't even know where to look because I don't have a memory card in my camera, but I have the camera. Now, how does that work?
But let's get in here because time is pushing. Those. Got a lot of damn stuff. I came here for boxes. Anyways, I know I look crazy. Disregard the way I look. So, we're officially out of this rental property and we're going to go stay in our first home that we own. I almost fell. But yeah, it's clean, carpet clean, everything is done. You hear the echo? It's time to go. Guys, it's the next day and it's much later in the day. We're not, I mean, we're settled in, but we haven't unpacked really nothing yet. So like put stuff up or nothing like that. Girl, what is you talking about? Yeah, I get it, I know. But we haven't settled. Ma'am, close that. No, no.
Oh God, please, no, no, no.
No. Ma'am, no. You don't understand English. Before we was rudely interrupted by a toddler, you know, whatever she says goes. It is much later in the day. And we need to go to Walmart. And we're gonna go out to eat. Not a celebration, but we're not going nowhere like fancy or nothing like that. I honestly don't know where we're going. But we need to go to Walmart for sure. So I forgot what else I was gonna say. Oh, so I pretty much just got on this sweater, the pants. They go pants. It's like a sweater set. And I'm debating on what perfume to wear. I have this. Is it Eclair? Lattafa perfume. I have that, which I love. I also have this, also a Lattafa perfume. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. Oh, the top broke. I knew that was gonna happen. It ain't break, but it's cracked. Let me see if that ain't cracked. I also have this perfume, which is also a Lattafa perfume. I love their perfumes. This one's actually unisex and it smells so good. They ain't lie. They ain't lie about this perfume. They didn't lie. I might what is. No, let me see. So I feel like I'm gonna wear this one. I'm gonna wear this one. I haven't been wearing her lately because I've been wearing her. Okay. So yeah. I'm just gonna put this one on. So yeah, but this we're currently waiting on the car to warm up, but this is like I'm still in shock that we own a home, and I'm still in shock because this process was so long and it was depressing. I'm not gonna hold y'all. It was, what are you doing? Yes. Life of a mom. Anyways, I'm still shocked. And we had to move out in 2 days out of our rentals because we closed on the 30th and had to be out before the 1st. So last night was our first night in our new home, and it's just glory to God. Glory to God. Okay. Whew. It's been a long journey. We started this housing process, I'd probably say like in 2024. We got like serious about it in 2024. And for us to get the particular house we're in now, it took us about a good 5 months. Like just ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. So yeah, and I haven't been vlogging. I haven't vlogged none last year. I think I did one vlog last year.
in January of 2025. And after that, I did not vlog. None last year. So I'm trying to get back on the vlogging bandwagon, you know? What are you doing? I feel like you're doing something. What you got? Oh, okay. Y'all know when they get quiet, they doing something they got no business doing. But yeah, so I'm just chapping. My mind is like all over the place. It feels like a dream. I think that's what it is. We still gotta get a refrigerator, washer and dryer. So right now we're working on mini fridge, but that's fine. We're gonna get the refrigerator sometime this week. So yeah, I forgot to say, girl, do y'all know it is currently 20 degrees outside? What the hell? And I'm in Florida. Yeah. But I don't got the big coat. So, yeah, let's go. We're at Miller's right now. Yeah. I feel like they have more stuff in this. Alright, I got me a fajita, so I have to pretty much like prep it. So here's my stuff to prep my fajitas. Taste.